sir, सबसे पहले तो congratulations.
Thank you
How
so
you are
much.
feeling after winning Mirchi Business Class Awards?
So, means, it's a proud moment for entire organization because which is one of the largest FM radio station, I believe, and the inception is in 1993. So it's proud moment for entire company, entire Square Insurance. Yeah.
Sir, एक question है कि आपकी brand जो है वो बाकी brand से unique कैसे है?
So again, it's a combination of various factors. So we've been right from the beginning very customer centric. At the same time, the reach which separates us from other competition because we've been operating in more than 64 territories and again working with more than 28,000 channel partners. So we've been have a vision to keep it more organized, more customer centric, and I think this is one of the bigger reason for us for keeping us separate from competition. Yeah.
That's so great, sir. That's such a worthy answer. Sir, as you know that continuously our Jaipur's economy, or if I talk about Rajasthan's economy, that is continuously changing. So what do you feel about that?
So see, again, Jaipur is being significantly emerging as commercial and business hub,
Yeah.
and it has been fueled by various factors.
Yeah.
The talent pool of the state is one of the best. The infrastructure is again one of the best. At the same time, various initiatives taken by the government for startups makes Rajasthan more prominent for new generation, for new startups coming in. So this is one of the reasons I believe there is no way why Jaipur cannot grow like cities like Delhi or Bombay. So this.
Anything you want to say to the new generation who is currently getting into a startup or a business or entrepreneur?
So see, we've been, I'll tell you, the kind of new opportunities, new startups coming in, especially in Rajasthan locations, wherein, you will find various investors are investing in new startups, new ideas, new innovations. So person who is good in, innovation, who thinks different from others, I think they can come up and there are people who will support, there are organizations who will support, and for us also means we've been developing new entrepreneurs on daily basis. At the same time, Square helps us generating revenues, the people who want to come in, who want to do different things. So yes, this is how it is.
That's so great.
Thank you
so much once again. Congratulations.